Tired of endless tabs slowing down your Android Chrome browser? Let's dive into a super quick and easy way to close all those tabs at once, freeing up your phone's resources and making your browsing experience smoother. First, locate the Chrome app icon on your Android device and tap it to open the browser. Now, take a look at your browser. See all those open tabs stacked up? Don't worry, you don't have to close them one by one. Next, in the top right corner of your Chrome browser, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu button. Tap on it. A menu will appear with a list of options. Scroll through this menu until you find an option labeled Close All Tabs. It might also say Close All X tabs, where X is the number of tabs you currently have open. Once you found the Close All Tabs option, simply tap on it. Just like that, all your tabs will be closed instantly. You'll be taken back to your Chrome Start page, or a new tab page if you have one set up. This clears out your browser's memory and can improve its performance significantly. If you don't see the Close All Tabs option, there is another way to close all tabs. Again, click the 3 vertical dots in the upper right-hand corner. From here, click on the Tabs button. This button looks like a square. On the top right corner, you should see 3 vertical dots. Again, click these vertical dots. Again, a menu will appear with a list of options. Select Close All Tabs. That's it. You've successfully closed all your Chrome tabs on your Android device. Now, you can enjoy a faster, cleaner browsing experience. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.